Let's study UCP 600 Article 19 Part 4 of the video. This is the last part of this article. First understand what have we studied as of now, because that article is written in so much confusing form that we don't understand where is A, where is B, where is C, why again AB. It's like this. Article 19 is divided into three parts, A, B and C. Under this A part again there are 6 sabbaticals, and under this third sabbatical there are again 2 sabbaticals, A and B. Because many a times we get confused, this B is already we have studied, and why again this B. So first understand the difference and the segregation of that. Now up till now we have studied this part, A part full. Now we will be studying B and C. So now let's start. This sabbatical B defines what is transhipment. Transhipment means unloading from one means of conveyance and reloading it to another means of conveyance, whether or not in different modes of transport, during the carriage from place of dispatch, taking in charge and or shipment to place of final destination stated in the credit. It means taking the material out from one ship and moving it on to the another ship. That is transshipment. Important part is it can be from within the same means of conveyance or a different means of conveyance. Means it can be ship to ship or ship to truck, ship to rail, anything. See, this is transshipment. Goods are taken out from this ship and loaded onto a separate ship. This part can also be a truck or rail or anything. C1. A transport document may indicate that the goods will be transshipped or may be transshipped, provided that the entire carriage is covered by one and the same transport document. Remember, when is this required? This article is required when the LC states that the goods, the transshipment has no. Remember this part. When the LC says that transshipment can be done, then there is no problem with this article. We need not even refer to this article, sabbatical C. But if it says no, and then also it's given in the transport document that goods would be transshipped, then what is the case? If that is the case, then if in a single document it is covered, then the transshipment would be allowed. Remember this part, if it's covered in the same transport document. Similarly, the second part, a transport document indicating that transshipment will or may take place is acceptable even if the credit prohibits transshipment. Remember, 1 and 2 are altogether separate. 1 states that the transshipment will be done. Hold on. In first part, the document states that the goods would be transshipped, will or may be transshipped, and in this case it also gives the port where the transshipment will take place. So that is acceptable provided it's covered under one and the same document. And the second part states that it's a general term. The document states that the goods may be transshipped in the journey. That is the difference. In first part it will clearly state that the goods would be transshipped and the port of transshipment would be given. Second part is just a general term stating that the goods will or may be transshipped and no port is given. It's just a general statement. So that is also acceptable even if the credit prohibits transshipment. Because here they are not saying that it will be done. They are saying that it may be done in the journey. This sentence means to say that the goods may be transshipped or will be transshipped in the journey as and when required. That is the meaning, and such statement is acceptable. So that was it regarding part 4 of the video, UCP 600 Article 19. This covers our entire Article 19. So you can download this app from Play Store to get these videos, question banks with explanations, online tests, notes, new job openings, etc. You can also get directly with the explanations question bank from this website uagro.com. You can follow us on Facebook as well as you can download this app and follow us on the app itself.